The main goal is to go out and help the folks in the RV community, right? I've been on both sides. I've been on the side where I needed help. I've been on the side where I discovered how to fix my own RV. My name's Chris Shepard with Happy Camper Solutions RV. I started my company about 8 months ago. I'm from Georgetown, Texas. I heard about NRVTA basically through Google. I moved into an RV park in a tiny home. I just started falling in love with the community and the people. I just saw a gap and a need to want to help the people in the community to fix RVs, and this looked like the best option. The biggest thing I feel that's helped is the hands-on experience, really getting in, digging in, getting your hands greasy, right? It's the only way you're going to learn is to take the stuff apart, put it back together. The stories that have been shared here, it's very lucrative if you go out and you give good customer service and you market and you do all the right things. You can make money and you can help people. So, and put smiles on people's faces. I mean, that's the goal. If you're looking for the next step in your life, if you're not happy with your job or you're not happy and you want side income or you want real income or you want to make a change in people's life, I would highly recommend NRVTA. Get the knowledge, get the experience, get the education, get the hands-on, and I promise it will pay off in the future.